Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title, I have for today another unboxing, and this time is a limited edition from Lookfantastic, and actually it's a collaboration with Illamasqua. The box looks like this, and if you watch my channel you see that I did many unboxings for Lookfantastic limited edition box, and they usually do collaboration with many of the brands that they sell on their website. And if you look back, I have a couple of those, like the Lookfantastic and Kodali Lookfantastic, and I have a Lookfantastic and Philip Kinsley or something like that, the hair box, and a couple more. This time it's makeup. I usually buy the skincare ones, but this time is more a makeup box. And Illamasqua, if you have the Lookfantastic subscription, you saw the Illamasqua coming in Lookfantastic boxes, and I'm sure we got the product even in the advent calendar. So the Illamasqua is a brand from UK, as Lookfantastic is. It took about 3 weeks to get this box, and I'm not exactly sure about the price, but I'm gonna leave the link down below because the box is still available in case if you wanna check this out. I think this was about, anyway, under $50, was 47 or and 50 cents or something like that. So here is the box inside. We have the Illamasqua sticker here. I got some products from Illamasqua in Lookfantastic boxes, and let's see what's in this one. As usually, it comes with this booklet, and you have all the information, and also how to post pictures, whatever, if you want to, on social media. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one. Here is the box inside. I know I have somewhere on my iPod, I have the sizes. I'm not sure. I think we have 2 full sizes, and the rest of them are deluxe sizes. So let me find the page with the products inside the box, if I find that, because we get a ton of information here. Yeah, it's here. So I'm trying to see if I have the sizes of this. It doesn't say, but for sure I got that in the order. So I'm gonna list the products down below and the sizes. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one. So the first thing I see here, I believe this one is a brush. Looks like this, and it's cruelty free. And this one is of course from Illamasqua. And let's see what's this. It's fine eyeliner brush and cover, which looks like this. I like the idea to have a cover for a brush. And the brush looks like this. The tip is very fine. So yeah, looks good. I like the tip, the size of the tip. So this is the first product in here. Then let's see the next one. The next one is this small box, and this one is precision gel liner, which I think comes with the brush. And let's see the size of this. This is a deluxe sample, I think, and looks like this. And here is inside it's a lot of product anyway. So this was the second item. Then we have here this guy, Illamasqua animator lipstick, which looks like this, and the color of this is Bang. Although on the paper it says Bear, on this one is Bang, so doesn't matter. Here is the packaging. Everything is black. So this one looks like this. It's a pretty nude. And here is the color. I remember we got a lipstick, I think it was from the same brand that was on Ombre. I think it was still from Illamasqua in the Lookfantastic Advent Calendar, but I'm not so sure. And then the next product in here, it's a deluxe sample mascara. And this one, it's called Raven. And looks like this. And let's see the brush of this. It's a huge brush. So yeah, we'll see how this guy works. And then another item in here, it's Illamasqua Gel Sculpt. It's one of those sticks. And this one is in, I don't see any shade here, Silhouette. And looks like this. And that's all the product in this one. And the color is like this, so I don't know. I'm not so much in contouring and things like this, but we'll see how this one works. It says it's an ultra blendable sculpting stick with a sheer color. We'll try. And the last item in here, it's an item that I know already, and this one is Illamasqua Hydra Veil. And this is a primer. Looks like this. And here is the size of this. And about this one, it says Illamasqua's first ever selling product. Skin feels hydrating and revitalized with this lightweight gel primer. And yes, it's true. I got this one, and I have another one that is open already. And it has a gel consistency. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really hydrating. I like to use this primer. I'm not using it all the time because it's not much in here, but it's still some. But as I told you, it's very hydrating, and they say it's the best selling product for them. So I'm not surprised because it's a good one. I like it, and now I got the second one. I'm not so sure, but in one of the Lookfantastic boxes, maybe in a calendar or a limited edition box, they send a full size of this, which is nice. So yeah, that's all for this box. So far I like the box, I like the Illamasqua brand. I used a couple products from them before, and I used the gel primer and I like it. So far it comes with this gel primer, the gel stick, the Sculpt, contouring, something like that, is the mascara, is the lipstick, the nude shade, and then is this gel liner with the brush. I have to say that I like the brush, at least for a beginner in eyeliners and things like this. The tip of the brush is really important. I tried a couple of them, And I was surprised. The most I liked as the tip was color, not color pop, LA color, which I'm using right now. The tip is just unbelievable. It works so well and it's so fine. You can get wrong with that. Unfortunately, the gel itself, it's not the best one because it transfers, but the tip is really good one, a really good one. So yeah, that's all for this box so far. I like the box. I'm not so much into makeup, but I'm considering this a good box for 40 something dollars. I know the gel is the primer is great, the lipstick is a full size also, and we're gonna try the other ones. So that's kind of all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here again, and also thank you for all the comments. It's still time for the giveaway if you wanna enter. One more day left. Tomorrow night I'm gonna close that, so probably I'll see you before choosing the winner with another video, which it's gonna be probably the empties for February, and then I'll see you on the 2nd when we're gonna choose the winner. So that's all for today. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. You have a great day, a great week. Bye bye.